Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the value of the following roots. Without the use of calculator, this means that they actually require us to show relevant working. Okay, so in this case here, actually we would 784. If I do a rough working at the side, I would actually step 1 will want to express it as a prime factorization of this. And this will give me this, and just do the full working to get the prime factorization. Divide by 2, and that will give me 98. Divide by 2, this will give me 49. The next prime number that I can divide will be 7. And 7. And so this will be the prime factorization of 784. It will be 2 power 4 times 7 power 2. And I could then rewrite this as 2 power 2 times 7 times 2 power 2 times 7. In case you are wondering, where does a 2 power 2 comes about? 2 power 2 times 2 power 2 gives me back my 2 power 4. 7 times 7 gives me back my 7 power 2. And I saw that this and this are exactly the same. So you will actually see this. And therefore, all I have to do will be this. So the square root of 784 is simply 2 squared times 7, which will be 4 times 7, 28. So I'm going to repeat this to find the roots of 2025. So again, you will see me writing this down because I will want to find the prime factorization of 2025. I tried to divide by 3. Yes, I could. And this gives me a value of 675. And again, I can divide by 3 to give me 225. I continue to divide by 3. And eventually I cannot. The next prime number will be 5. And I got my prime factorization. And so, replicating what we have just seen previously for 758, I can rewrite 2025 as 3 power 4 times 5 power 2. And eventually you do realize that this is simply the square root of 3 power 2 times 5. 3 power 2 times 5, 2 times. And therefore this will be the answer. And final answer, 45. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.